Okay, let's start the group message. Number 1 to Selena Francine Elaguen. Sorry for the wrong pronouncing of your names. Number 2, Princess Kyra Claire Navarro. Number 3, Clarice Ande Guzman. Number 4, Francine Gian Salas Bangayan. Number 5, Bianca Nicole Magat. And number 6, Ana Marie Algonas. Number 7, May Trixie Abayare. Number 8, Mary Angeline Feliciano Desiar. Sorry for the wrong sayings of your name, pronunciation. Number 9, Francesca Alino Dot. 10, number 10, Roxanne Decena. Have a good day and good luck. God bless. Wish you a happy day. Kung minamahamat sa inyo, calm lang, huwag kayo magpapanik. And thank you.